back to my channel. I am Bhumika Merkan from Study at Amazement with Bhumika, and you are watching Study at Amazement with Bhumika. So stay tuned and watch the video till end. So before starting the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel for updates for my new videos. So let's start the chapter. In this video, we are going to do Chapter 12, Quadrilaterals, Class 8. So let's start the chapter. First, in this video, this is the part 2 of this chapter, right? In the earlier video, we have learned about the concepts of the quadrilaterals, and in this part, we are gonna to solve some problems related to that concepts. So let's solve these questions now. First question, find the value of the unknown angle. जो unknown angle है उसकी वैल्यू को हमें फाइंड करना है इस फिगर से. So let's see to it. So as the angle sum property of a quadrilateral, the sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. So applying that property, let's start. So this equation is formed. So let's solve it. So it is So guys, after solving this equation, we are having n degree is equal to 223 degree. So this is our answer for this question. Now let's move to the next question. So guys, this is the second question. Let's read it. Two angles of a quadrilateral are of measure 50 degree and the other two angles are equal. What is the measure of each of these angles? इस क्वेश्चन में ये बोल रहे हैं कि एक क्वाड्रिलेटरल के जो दो एंगल्स हैं वो 50 डिग्री के हैं और जो अदर टू एंगल्स हैं वो इक्वल हैं. तो हमें हर एक एंगल का 4 ऑफ द 4 क्वाड्रिलेटरल के एंगल्स का मेजर निकालना है. सो लेट्स सॉल्व इट. लेट द गिवन इक्वल एंगल्स D X and other two equal angles are 50 degree each, right? So next, so by the angle sum property of a quadrilateral, the measure of all the angles means the sum of all the angles of quadrilateral is always equal to 360 degree. So first we have to write equal angles, then what we are given with is equal to 360 degree. Now let it to X and 100 degree. degree. So each of the equal angles is 130 degree each. See, this is the solution. I hope you may understand. Let's move to the next question. So the angles are in the ratio 2, ratio 3, ratio 5, ratio 8. Find the measure of each of the 4 angles. जो हमारे एंगल्स हैं क्वाड्रिलेटरल के, वो इस रेशियो ऑफ द एंगल की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. द एंगल्स ऑफ अ क्वाड, दैट्स राइट. So let's solve it. As we have already done, the sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. We have already learned it about many times as in every topic, yeah. So first write this line and let the measure of angles be 2x, 3x, 5x degree and 8x degree. Right? Then according to statement, two x plus 3x plus 5x plus 8x is equal to 360 degree. That is 18x is equal to 360 degree. That is x is equal to 360 degree divided by 18, that is equal to 20 degree. So x is equal to 20 degree. Hence the measures of 4 angles are 2 into x 40 degree, 3 into x 60 degree, 5 into x 100 degree and 8 into x, that means 8 into 20 is equal to 160 degree. So this is our answer. I hope you may understand the concept that I was trying to explain you. This is the only simple method that you could do, and there is another method that we use in ratio chapter. I hope you may remember, we have already done that method in class 7th also by dividing ratio. Yeah, you could do this question from that method also, but this one is so easy. You could try it out from that one also, but I will prefer to this one.
So guys, now come to this question. Let's read it. In the adjoining figure, the bisector of angle A and B meet at a point B. If angle C is equal to 96 degree and angle D is equal to 30 degree, then find the measure of angle APB. In this question, ये बोल रहा है ये क्वेश्चन कि ये जो आपको फिगर गिवन है, इसमें ए और बी एंगल का जो बाइसेक्टर है वो एंगल पी है, जो कि जो बाइसेक्टर है वो एंगल पी पे मिलता है, मीन्स कि पॉइंट पी पे उनका बाइसेक्टर जो है वो मिलता है. इफ़ एंगल सी इज इक्वल टू 96 डिग्री, अगर जो एंगल सी है वो 96 डिग्री है और जो एंगल डी है वो 30 डिग्री है, तो एंगल ए पी बी का मेजर क्या हो? तो सबसे पहले इसमें हम वैल्यू निकालेंगे इन दोनों एंगल्स के टोटल की, राइट? सो लेट्स गो विद दैट. So let's do it. As we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. Angle sum property. Yeah, remember? Right? So let's fulfill the values. Given values fill करते हैं पहले. Angle C क्या given है 96 degree. Angle D क्या given है 30 degree. That is equal to 360 degree. So angle A plus angle B is equal to 360 degree minus 126 degree. That is angle A plus angle B is equal to 234 degree. So this is the total of angle A plus angle B. As we all know that P is the bisector of these two angles, that means these two angles are equal. So let's solve it. That is half angle A plus half angle B is equal to 234 degree. That is equal to 117 degree. So that is angle PAB plus angle PBA is equal to 117 degree. So we have now came in this triangle, right? Or else we could write angle A plus angle B is equal to 117 degree. As you know that we have to find angle APB. So let's go in that triangle. Here we will write in triangle APB. Here's the symbol. Okay. So angle APB plus angle PBA plus angle BAP is equal to 180 degree as angle sum property of triangle. So first fulfill the values. So we are having this one as, so angle APB is equal to 180 degree minus 117 degree, that is equal to 63 degree. So angle P is equal to 63 degree. So this was the solution of this question. So guys, इस वीडियो में मैं ये 4 एग्जाम्पल्स ही करवाऊँगी. नेक्स्ट जो वीडियो होगी मेरी उसमें हम क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स के नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं इस चैप्टर की एक्सरसाइजेस स्टार्ट करवाऊँगी. इस वीडियो में ये 4 क्वेश्चंस आई थिंक बहुत रहेंगे. वीडियो भी काफ़ी लेंथी हो गई है. एक्चुअली ना जो इसके इन क्वेश्चन से पहले की वीडियो थी उसमें मेरे जो मोबाइल है ना उसकी स्टोरेज थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम चल रही थी, तो उसकी वजह से उसमें थोड़ा पॉज रहेगा. लेकिन ये क्वेश्चन में कोई पॉज नहीं है. आई होप यू मे अंडरस्टैंड द वीडियो क्लियरली. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. Till then, bye, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Remember, bye.